The last project on logistics is refills, and it's about filling, in the supermarket, filling the shelves. Yes. So the floor is yours.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and thanks, Cecile, for this opportunity. I'm Agostino De Santis from Consorzio Create Naples, which is the coordinating institution of refills. The coordinator is Professor Siciliano, who unfortunately didn't make to be here today. The acronym refills stands for Robotics Enabling Fully Integrated Logistics Lines for Supermarkets. And therefore, our main ambition is to completely revolutionize the current structure of logistics processes in retail stores thanks to robots. We think that retail stores are surviving to e-commerce because they offer the sensory experience of touching goods and the unique feature of human advice. At the same time, they have to stay competitive, and one can see that 60% of operational costs in a store are related to logistics. So we want to use robots to change the structure of this logistics. And this is an ambitious goal because it also requires robots which are over the current state of the art. The work of a supermarket clerk is tough, but also a robot clerk needs scientific and technological progress. And so our consortium is composed of 3 research groups: Consorzio Create, University of Campania, Italy, University of Bremen, Germany, and 2 manufacturers, KUKA from Germany and Intel, Israel, then Swisslog as a system integrator, and finally, the biggest German retailer in its branch, which is DM Drogeriemarkt. Our approach aims at changing the structure of the current fully manual logistic processes, where there are clerks monitoring shelves, delivering goods directly to the ground, initially filling the shelves, and then going back and forth from the back room where goods which are being brought to the ground do not fit on the shelves. In our smart refilling approach, there will be a number of robotic modules based on existing modules but redesigned, which will be able to monitor the store, pre-sort the items doing a depalletizing operation when the pallets are taken to the shop, then transport these goods toward the shelves, and then giving the possibilities of 2 scenarios. One where there will be a collaboration with the clerk, so the robot will keep the boxes in order to avoid the non-ergonomic posture of the clerk in order to reduce the effort for lifting. Or in the more advanced case, we also aim at a fully autonomous shelf refilling. This is based on previous expertise on semantic mapping, knowledge bases for manipulation, and sensors, and of course, reactive control. In the future, we think that this kind of technology may impact not only industry. Of course, it is self-evident that the retail stores will be impacted by this kind of innovation, and also the European Union manufacturers of robots may keep their market share in professional service robotics. But also the general public may benefit of still having a competitive supermarket and not be forced to buy from online stores. Of course, this kind of innovation also poses a number of issues related to ethics and legal and societal and economic issues, and we will have a dedicated work package on this in the project, since it is true that we will offer this way more attractive jobs in the retail environment, but at the same time, some jobs will be cut. Also the European regulation about load lifting are expected to change if there would be a robot helping the clerk. Of course, we also expect scientific advances in the research fields of our groups. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.